Get straight A's or bomb your test? Who will win this flawless school battle? Meet straight A. He is so serious about school that he even sleeps in his uniform. The alarm went off? Quick! Run to class so you are not late. Straight A doesn't have time for a healthy breakfast. I'll have a good breakfast when I complete my education. And this is Flunk. He's not in any kind of rush. School can wait. My teachers won't go anywhere. Flunk always has time to have breakfast and catch up on Instagram stories. What's Billie Eilish up to? A new song? Not bad. Okay, I guess I can head out. I'm so handsome! World, get ready! I'm coming for you! And here are Straight A's friends. What's up, nerd? How's life? Headed to school again, huh? All right, man. Good luck. Get enough knowledge for all of us. And here comes the critical intersection of powers. Who will make it to school first? Let the race begin. Straight A tosses some knowledge to the Flunk. What a sneaky maneuver. But Flunk managed to hop on a bike. The score is tied. And they both ended up being late. Well, come in. But don't be late next time. It's time to write down the assignment, but Flunk doesn't have a pen as usual. Straight A lets him borrow something he won't miss. A plain refill. You are so generous, bro! But Flunk solves this problem in a second. Put a pen refill into a straw and screw it shut using a pen plug. Check out my Express pen! Isn't it great? Time to turn in your homework to get checked. But Flunk came prepared. My dog ate my homework. It was an accident. Don't believe me? Here's the proof. Huh? It's true. Flunk took a video of his dog chewing on his notebook. Amazing special effects. Miss Smith is so gullible that she believed it. I guess she really loves dogs.
Yes!
Flunk has a hidden talent. While the teacher's not looking, he hides his phone in his notebook. Use Elmer's glue to stick the edges of notebook sheets together. Cut a rectangular gap inside using a utility knife. Glue the walls of the cutout rectangle. What a great idea! I can stay on my phone through the whole class. But my neighbor wants to snitch on me. I guess I'll have to buy her silence using some snacks from my secret pocket. Take pockets cut out of old jeans and glue them to the inside of a jacket or coat. Use double-sided tape. Put various treats in the pockets. Good thing I always have some snacks stashed away in my hidden pockets. They always save the day. My neighbor will keep her secrets to herself. What a sweet bribe. But straight A ruins everything. Oops, you dropped something, fellow student. The secret is ruined and Miss Smith takes the phone. Secrets are no fun. Straight A loves learning. The more books he has, the bigger his ego gets. Can I have some too? Looks like someone's thirsty for knowledge. Okay, Flunk, have it your way. You can borrow a couple of books. I'm feeling generous. But Flunk has a different plan. He needs the books to hold up his portrait. He can hide behind it and take a little nap. But Miss Smith is an experienced educator. You can't fool her with a cardboard picture. A Salvador Dali mustache looks great on her failing student. Wake up! Sorry, Flunk. Your life hack got exposed. Who ruined my sleep mask? I looked so good in this picture. Today's geometry problem is so hard. Nobody can solve it. Except Flunk. He has a special device. A ruler compass. Cut holes in a wooden ruler using an X-acto knife. Make holes at even intervals. Flunk just draws a new circle and measures the radius using the ruler. Isn't it brilliant? Great job, Flunk! You got a good grade for once, and Straight A is falling behind. Straight A and Flunk decided to truce. They have a test coming up, so they united forces to make cheat sheets. I won't tell if you won't. Straight A's cheat sheet is a work of art. He drew tiny people that represent equations. Miss Smith has no idea. And Flunk framed a photo of Miss Smith solving equations on the board. He loves his teacher so much. Plus, he can look up the solutions in the picture. Genius! But their classmate ruins everything. She guessed right away that those boys aren't actually motivated by a love of art or Miss Smith. They are cheating. She snitches to Miss Smith and betrays her classmates. It's a disaster! But it was such a good plan. Both guys think the other one gave them up. Truce over. We are back to fighting. Flunk decided to work hard on his studies, but he still can't make his notes look nice. Hey, Flunk, don't torture your notebook. Straight A will show you a simple life hack. You just have to use the right marker. Cut the middle out of the tip of a marker. Wow, this is the best underlining device in the world. I want one too. Sure thing. Oops, your neighbor beat me to it. Gotcha, Flunk. Straight A left the room? Wonderful! I can snoop around in his notebook organizer. Fold sheets of colored paper in a zigzag. Glue 2 zigzags together. Make 2 of these pieces. Glue a flat sheet of paper into each fold. Glue the other side of the paper into the second zigzag. Stick the 2 upper sheets together in the middle. That'll be a pocket for pens and pencils. Attach a sheet of paper to 2 sheets of scrapbooking cardboard. Bend the paper and make a folder. Glue the paper piece into the folder. Decorate the cover with a picture of eyes wearing glasses. Let's see what we have here. It's so boring! Let's make this school supply party a little more fun. Oh, so much trash! How could you, Straight A? You made such a mess. You should be ashamed of yourself. Yikes! And here comes Straight A. He's very serious about his organizer. Surprise! I think you need some major cleanup. Miss Smith isn't happy at all. What's this mess? Clean it up right now! Did you like our school stories? Then let us know who you are, a Straight A student or a Flunking student. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss new school sketches from Troom.